Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsa Bache, and I am accredited seller of DMC Homes. So today, ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo is yung mga summary of projects natin dito po kay Pasig City. Okay po? Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako i-tour kayo sa discuss ko sa inyo yung project updates for Manakay. Best Investments by Mitsa Bache, and I am an accredited seller of DMC Home. Hello, kamusta po kaya? So, for this video naman, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is ano ba yung mga existing projects natin dito sa Pasig City na currently na meron pa tayong inventory. Okay, so dito meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 projects to na ready for occupancy. 4 na ready for occupancy and 1 na pre-selling, okay, na available na DMC Homes project dito po sa Pasig City. And also, discuss ko siguro kung ano yung mga remaining na units na available doon, then yung current promo, and then on a separate video, dun ko naman i-discuss yung mga sample competitions natin for each project. Okay, so for the first project, dito po unahin natin si Allegra Garden Place. Okay, so ito yung madalas ko na feature sa inyo, na pinapakita sa inyo, because this Allegra Garden Place is one of our hottest project currently dito po sa Pasig City, because here ang kagandahan nito sa project na to, malapit siya, in between siya ng dalawang business districts, si Artigas and si Bonifacio Global City po. Okay, so for this project, meron siyang dalawang building, dalawang high-rise po ito na hanggang 55 and 56 stories level. We're offering here a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit. For the 3-bedroom unit, yesterday, actually right now meron pa, may nag-reopen pero na-hold din siya ulit. So currently, I think na-reserve na siguro yun. So meron tayong running promo for this project na 12% down payment spread hanggang 36 months for 3 years, and the remaining balance natin 28% through bank financing. Okay? So may mga available pa. So I think yung promo natin until end of January, until end of this year. So why not grab the opportunity, di ba, to take advantage of the current promo. And then the second project natin, nandito ako ngayon kay Prisma Residences. So this one, this is our 3-model unit, 3-bedroom. May video din ako dito matagal na, parang 2 years ago. So right now, naganda pa rin ng model unit natin dito. So dito kay Prisma Residences, may available pa tayo ng 1-bedroom unit and 2-bedroom unit. Okay, so ang current promo natin dito, dalawa, pwede kaya tayong 15% in 36 months or 50% in 40 months na walang discount. Okay, so ito, ang location nito, same as Allegra Garden Place. So magkatabi lang silang dalawang project na to. So kagandahan nito, nasa gitna silang dalawa ng business district. And so meron pa tayong available units dito ng 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. And also for Prisma Residences, meron tayong 3 towers. Okay, so these 3 towers are already for occupancy na, and 100% earning yung project niya. So magandahan nito, very active yung community, di ba? Marami kayo ng kapitbahay. So for those who are looking for a project, a condominium that are near Artigas or BGC, diba, and any nearby establishments dito. So this might fit your requirement, okay? And then yung next natin is si Satori Residences. Okay, so for Satori Residences, this one is located in Barangay Santolan, Pasig City. So ito naman, malapit ito kay LRT2, Santolan Station, kay Ateneo, the Manila University, kay Miriam College, kay UP Diliman. Yan, yung mga project natin. Eastwood City. So for that project, meron tayo naman 5 doon na high-rise, pero hanggang 16 floors lang siya. Okay, so kagandahan dito, medyo mababa naman ito. Pero on that project po, meron tayong available na 1-bedroom units na lang. Yun na lang yung mga natitirang unit natin doon. Okay, and also kagandahan nun, medyo malaki yung lot area nun eh. Nasa 30, nasa 3 hectares, almost 3 hectares, 2.8 hectares ang lot area niya. Tatlo po sa 5 buildings po. So yun, and again, ready for occupants na rin yun. So doon sa mga bandang naghahanap na medyo malapit sa Quezon City, di ba? So yun, that project may feature requirement. And then lastly, you see Valorant Towers natin. So the Valorant Towers natin, so this one is a pre-selling project. Okay, this one is located along C5 Road. Okay, ito malapit ito kay Julio Vargas. So kung familiar kayo kay Shell, or yung Shell na gasoline station, na doon lang siya sa across, katabi lang niya si Metrobank. Malapit rin ito kay SM Hypermarket, kay Arcovia. So yun ang kagandahan dito. And also this project is meron tayong joint venture dito, si Marubeni. It's a Japanese company wherein nag-focus sa real estate development. So maraming pagbabago dito, maraming nagbago dito sa project na to. So expect natin na maganda yung magiging outcome nito. Meron din ako ilalabas na video din dito about this Valorant Towers, yung Takumi. So yan, so panoorin na lang natin kung ano po yung related doon sa pag-deliver natin dito kay The Valorant Towers. Okay? So for this project, may available pa tayo na studio na 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom units. Okay? So magandahan nito, this one, meron tayong mga retail shops sa ground floor. So maganda itong project na to eh. Okay. And then, meron pa last project, si Brixton Place, kasi may mga inventory pa tayo kay Brixton Place. Siya yung katabi ni Ferlin Residences. So si Brixton Place, this one is in Capitolio, Pasig City. So kagandahan nito, malapit lang ito doon sa Ortigas, Ortigas BGC Bridge na yung pagbaba sa may Mitsukoshi Mall na. So ito, kagandahan din ito, malapit rin ito kay BGC. So dito may available pa tayo na 1 bedroom unit. So if you're looking for a 1 bedroom, sometimes may nag-open na 2 bedroom. So if you're looking for a project that is near that area, so baka po mag-fit sa requirement ninyo. Okay, so yun po. So that concludes my project summary for our available units dito sa Pasig area. So if you want to know more, any of those project na nabanggit ko, nandyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Para tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation by Zoom, para tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Para ko kayong dalhin dito doon sa mga projects na nabanggit ko. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.